Hey there, Nissan enthusiasts. Are you ready to elevate your drive? Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most sought-after upgrades for your Nissan Frontier, the best seat covers that combine style, comfort, and ultimate protection, whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city. The right seat covers can transform your ride and protect your investment. So stick around as we explore the top options curated just for you. From sleek designs to rugged durability, we've got something for everyone. Let's get started and find the perfect fit for your Frontier. Number 5. Source 2022 to 2025 Frontier Seat Covers. Specifically designed for Nissan Frontier SSV Pro X Pro for XSL models. These custom-fit full leather seat protectors are the ideal solution for truck owners seeking both style and functionality. Made from premium, breathable materials, these seat covers offer exceptional durability, waterproof protection, and resistance to fading and wear, with a padded sponge and cotton design for added comfort. They ensure that your original seats stay pristine. Plus, with airbag compatibility and accessible seatbelt buckles, you won't lose any of the essential functions of your seats. Installation is a breeze thanks to the zipper design, and maintenance is effortless. Just wipe them down for a clean finish. Each package includes everything you need, along with a helpful installation manual for anyone looking for the best in protection and practicality for their Nissan Frontier. Source seat covers are the perfect choice. Number 4. Soaker Car Seat Covers Full Set. Meticulously designed to fit Honda Civic models from 2003 to 2025. Crafted from high-quality faux leather and featuring a 5-layer design. These seat covers not only enhance the look of your vehicle with their sleek black and beige color scheme, but are also waterproof and scratch-resistant, ensuring long-lasting durability. What sets these covers apart is their thoughtful design, incorporating a built-in lumbar support system for added comfort during those long drives. Safety is paramount. Compatible with airbags and fire retardant, these covers provide peace of mind as you travel. Installation is a breeze, requiring just 20 to 25 minutes to transform your car's interior. With the Soaker Car seat covers, you can enjoy the perfect blend of style, comfort, and safety, making them the best seat covers for Nissan Frontier owners as well. Upgrade your driving experience today. Number 3. Togo front seat covers are the ultimate accessory for your Nissan Frontier, bringing a stylish and protective touch to your vehicle from 2009 to 2025. These custom-fit, full leather seat covers in a sleek black and gray color scheme seamlessly combine aesthetics and functionality. Designed with 360 degrees full coverage, they ensure your original seats remain well protected. Crafted from high-quality, waterproof materials, these covers also feature breathable perforations for added comfort during your drives. The security design is compatible with airbags and seat belts, guaranteeing safety in emergencies without compromising style. Plus, installation is a breeze. In just 8 to 15 minutes, you can transform your interior with ease. If you're looking for the best seat covers for Nissan Frontier, choose Togo for unmatched quality and a perfect fit that will elevate your driving experience. Number 2. Moxon Full Set Car Seat Covers. Designed specifically for Nissan Frontier models from 2009 to 2024. These chic black and gray full leather seat covers offer the perfect blend of style and functionality, with a custom fit and a sleek 3D modeling design. Installation is a breeze, ensuring your vehicle looks as good as new. These seat covers provide 360 degrees full enclosure protection, guarding against spills, stains, pet hair, and harmful UV rays. Made from high-quality leather, they are waterproof, wear-resistant, and durable, keeping your seats safe and comfortable for years. Plus, These covers maintain easy access to essential functions like airbags and seat belts, ensuring safe use for you and your passengers. Experience excellence with Jiamoxin's dedicated customer service, available daily to assist with any concerns. Elevate your ride with the best seat covers for Nissan Frontier and protect your investment in style. Number 1. Pyridine leather car seat covers full set brings luxury and functionality to your vehicle's interior. Crafted from high-grade leatherette, these waterproof seat covers are designed to protect your seats from spills and stains, while also being durable, wear-resistant, and easy to clean. With a stylish black finish, they instantly enhance your car's appearance, making your drive more enjoyable. These seat covers are not only visually appealing, but also airbag compatible, ensuring safety with fully exposed seatbelt buckles for daily use. Designed for a universal fit, they're suitable for a variety of vehicles, including sedans, trucks, vans, and SUVs. Installation is a breeze with included instructions and video guidance, allowing you to transform your car in just 10 to 20 minutes. If you're searching for the best seat covers for Nissan Frontier, look no further. The Pyridine leather car seat covers meet your needs perfectly. In conclusion, choosing the best seat covers for your Nissan Frontier can enhance both comfort and style, providing protection against wear and tear. Whether you prefer durability, easy cleaning, or a custom fit, there are options to suit every need. We hope this guide helps you make an informed decision for your truck. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share your thoughts below.